Tips to succeed in stock market investing. Investing in the stock market can be a faraway dream for some, because they are not sure how to get started. However, anyone who has invested in the stock market has had to learn. Here are just a few of the smart investing tips that anyone can use, in order to have success with investments. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. Have you done some short selling? This method of investing includes loaning shares of stock. An investor can borrow shares if he agrees to return them at a specified date. The investor can sell the borrowed shares, and then repurchase the same number of shares when the price declines. Because the stock is sold at a higher price than the price to replenish it, this investment method can yield healthy profits. You should compare stock prices to a number of factors in order to truly assess the value of any stock. If you are trying to determine whether or not a stock price is over or undervalued, consider the price to earnings ratio, cash flow, and related factors. Also analyze the sector or industry the business is in, as some sectors grow slower than others. If you intend to build a portfolio with an eye toward achieving the strongest, long-range yields, it is necessary to choose stocks from several sectors. Not every sector will do well in any given year. You can grow your portfolio by capitalizing on growing industries when you have positions in multiple sectors. Rebalancing regularly can help you lessen your losses in those shrinking sectors, but also allowing you a better position for when they grow again. Prior to investing in a stock, you need to understand what a stock is. Otherwise, you could end up making crucial mistakes. A stock, also known as a share, basically entails a part of company. Therefore, when you buy a stock, you are buying a small part of a company. It is generally better to invest in a limited number of positions that you are confident in, rather than to invest in many different companies. For example, if you like the way telecom companies have been performing, and if there are 4 companies that appeal to you, take the time to determine which stock is the best and most cost-effective. Rather than invest in all 4 companies, you should invest only in the company that you believe is the best. Everyone with investments has had to learn how to invest wisely. They had to start from the beginning and learn as they went along. Therefore, if you are a new investor, you can feel confident that you can learn, as well. You can apply the tips in this video and soon, investments will begin to show the kinds of results you are looking for. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.